Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily export or download OneNote notebooks on your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your application OneNote either on the desktop or the web version should also work for this method. You can go ahead, OneNote, click on it, and let's just say, for example, this is the final, everything is now finished and complete. You can focus your attention on the File tab, left click on it, go to Export. And as you can see, you will have various options you can choose from: page, section, notebook. So for this, we will select Notebook, and you will have the option to select a format. We have OneNote Package, PDF, XPS, and single file web page. Now, most of you will just select PDF, left click on it, but either of these should work. Just click on it and then click on export. You should now be able to select a file path in your PC where you want this to be saved. But first, go ahead, rename the file. For example, example file, right? And then double check that this is actually PDF. Then go ahead, click on save. And that's it. That's how you can easily export or download the OneNote notebooks in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.